Hey guys, welcome back to another video. That bounced. The candy that I was gonna eat just bounced because I threw it on the floor. Sorry, but so it's watermelon flavor. Extreme sour. This packaging is harder than usual. Maybe it's the almighty sour candy. Okay, so red's the best at the moment, then green, then the blue, because this is the packaging, and this is the sour candy. Be careful, because I think this might be the sourest candy. I'm gonna get ready to jump or spit this one out, because remember I said, I think I said I'll spit this one out if it's too sour, because this is the last one. I forgot to do the lip test. Oh, not the sourest one. Definitely second. My face was exploding. That. Now I got to the sweet part, and the sweet part's so good. So, sourest candy, blackcurrant. So recommend that one if you love sour. If you like Warhead sour, and then I recommend the watermelon flavor, that one if you like sour, a little bit less than like really sour. That's the one that I just had. And then I recommend the apple flavor for any like people who like sour but just don't want too much of it. And these are the ones who don't really like sour but they like sour somehow, and that's the order that they go into. So like then pretty good. It is really sour. If you try the red one, you should have seen me eating the red one. You might want to go check it out, because it is so sour that I jumped behind. Bye.